part of home remedies today, we are going to learn about constipation. Friends, constipation means like a human being or a human body which doesn't go for a passing the two stools for 2 3 days. Some of the people, they don't pass the stools for even 2 to 3 days. Right? A normal human being, what happens? You must pass the two stools at least 2 times a day. That is the normal, the average and healthy person must do that, isn't it? But a person who is having a constipation, he won't pass the tools not even 2 to 3 days also. So what is the reason? The reason we can understand, friends. It's a this constipation. The reasons are many. The reasons are many. Some of the reasons we try to give you. So lower fiber in the diet, as we discussed in the earlier classes, the fiber is very important component in the part of your diet. If the enough fiber is there, what happen? The fiber basically it gets into the stomach and it won't digest basically. There is a insoluble fiber, soluble fiber. I already explained it earlier, isn't it? With the fiber which will be melted, the fiber it doesn't melt. So the fiber which doesn't melt, what happen? It goes into the large intestine. Then it starts cleansing the large intestine basically. How it cleanses? Whatever the wastage, whatever the stools which are collected in the large intestine, all that will be pushed out with the help of this fiber. All that will be pushed out from your so-called the rectum or anus, isn't it? That's how the fiber will help you. So that is why always eat the food with a lot of fiber. So that is going to definitely remove your constipation, no doubt. Otherwise, even the other reason also. There's a very good reason. Other reason is one is this fiber, lack of fiber. Second is adequate water. Enough amount of water you're not supplying to physical body. We learned also why do you need to drink the water? There are 4 reasons. Out of that, one reason is in order to hydrate your cells, basically. Once our cells are hydrated, you'll be always healthy. Not only that, so if any wastage comes, so it has to cleanse up, right? It has to cleanse up through your kidneys and then gallbladder. All that toxins will go out through the urine, so the so-called urine, isn't it? So there also it will be much helpful, right? So these are some of the reasons. Other reasons are eating too much dairy products, rejecting the desire to clean the bowels. What happens? Some people, they feel like getting stools, but they don't pass. They what to do? They are busy in the work. They are busy in something else. They forget it. So the moment you do this, what happens? The moment will stop. So the bowels movement will stop, and then you have to undergo the constipation. No doubt on that. So please don't do that. Don't do that mistake. Now, so lot of stress is the another major reason. Excessive use of laxatives. So some people, used to use a lot of laxatives for the better skin or whatever. And sometimes people take the medications such as painkillers. So they also go through this so-called constipation. So these are some of the reasons, friends. Okay. Now, so what do we need to do as a home remedies for this, all these things? So as I told you, eat more fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, cereals, bajra, ragi, right? Fiber helps soften the tools and promote the regular bowel movements. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Drink water helps to soften the stools and make it easier to pass. Drinking warm water with a lemon juice in the morning and stimulate your digestive system. This you can do, right? One of the so-called home remedy. Physical exercise, walking can stimulate the bowel movements. Stools will come out. Please do this. So castor oil about 60 ml mixed with the fresh orange juice or a fresh grapefruit juice consumed early in the morning or early in the morning with the empty stomach or at the night before going to the bed. So these are the two good timings where you can take this castor oil mixed with any one of juice. So it will help a lot. You will come out of the constipation, friends. So this is also one of the best method. Now, so other thing is drink more buttermilk, which promotes the healthy balance of gut bacteria and so aids the digestion. If at all any digestion system has got some effect, so that also will be corrected. If you start drinking more of buttermilk, it supply the lot of positive bacteria to your stomach, friends. That's very important. Okay, please do this, right? It will avoid the all the so-called any kind of a digestion problems and all, it will avoid buttermilk, right? Now, what are the other remedies for constipation? Friends, there is one method. Inhale air through the nose until the stomach is inflated, bulged, and slowly exhale the air from the stomach through the mouth. For example, how to do that? See here. What you need to do is you just need to take a breath and make your stomach bulge. Okay. Even slowly also. So if you do that, what happens, friends? Your abdomen muscles are there, no? Abdomen muscles, they'll be shake. It gets some momentum. Then what happens? That large intestine in that whatever the storage of these particular stools, no, that also get momentum and it will come out of the come out through the anus or rectum. So that's the benefit of this particular the pranayama exercise. Other is Vajrasana. Please do the Vajrasana. This yogasana is considered to be the best yogasana for constipation and indigestion. Walking also is very, very must for the people who are suffering from this constipation. Please note it down. And practicing Kapalabhati can relieve constipation, and doing it daily 3 to 5 minutes can relieve constipation in a week time, my dear friends. What is that Kapalabhati? We already know it. Keep this chin mudra here. Then right. So this is the thing, like, you are expelling the breath and then you are pulling your stomach inside. So that is the Kapalabhati. If you practice more and more time, definitely your entire the abdomen muscles are shaked, they got shaking and they got some momentum. Then the inside, whatever the large intestine, lot of storage of these stools will slowly get a momentum and then it will pass through. Okay, that's very much benefit practicing of Kapalabhati. So we should also consume, friends, 20 to 30 grams on average a fiber for every day to get rid of the constipation. This is what we have to follow it. Okay. For that, millets are the best and all other things, whatever we suggested in the previous classes. Consume yogurt, the curd, especially to provide lactobacilli bacteria that will also control the constipation, friends. Now, practicing exercises to activate abdominal organs that allow stool to pass easily and reduce the stomach heat by consuming pumpkin juice, which reduce constipation. Friends, what happens is, so in the, especially in the stomach exercises are very important. We told, we have taught now also. And along with that, what happened? So whenever you get this constipation, inside stomach heat is much increased. So that heat has to be reduced, means pumpkin juice. If you drink the pumpkin juice, what happens? It will pacify or it will cool down the so-called stomach. Then you will come out of this indigestion, all these problems, constipation also, slowly. And also, friends, finally, use homeopathic medicine to cure constipation. So there are some medicines, especially if you go to the homeo doctor, he will definitely provide you. So, right? So that's those things you try to follow. So those medicines you try to follow. There is one medicine called Kali Moor 6, Kali Moor 6 dose. That is the dose of the homeopathy medicine. And also there is a Silesia. There's a Silesia 6. So these are common medicines for so-called constipation, friends. You can use them. You can go to the homeo medical store and ask for it. So it doesn't do any harm, no side effects. It will definitely try to help you to come out of the constipation, friends. So these are the other remedies I would like to tell you today, friends. Now, so I'm going to teach the mudra for constipation. In order to come out of the constipation, friends, there is a excellent mudra that is called Suchi Mudra. Suchi means Subrata, that is cleanliness, right? So this mudra is going to work wonders. So please do it. See here, like this, just close your thumb finger inside and then keep your 3 fingers on the top of it. Then other fingers straight like this. See here, see here. So this is the way it has to be practiced. What exactly is Suchi Mudra? How much time? 50 minutes you practice minimum. Okay. So this is Suchi Mudra. Try to practice it every day. So 50 minutes, aram se sit and then practice it. Now, after this, practice the 15 minutes now Prana Mudra also, friends. Prana Mudra. This is going to work, very thoroughly for constipation, right, friends? Now this is a mudra. Now, other than this, friends, there is a acupressure also. See here, acupressure, how it is going to work. See, acupressure, friends, the first point is here. The first point is here. Go on, press like this, 30 times, 20, 30 times. Go on, press. Then it is going to activate. This is actually constipation point, friends. Okay, that's very important. So other than this, there's another points basically on your, in both the palms only, both the palms on the bread side, there are 3 points here. 3 points. See here, there are 3 points basically. So these 3 points are very important, friends. Okay. So very, very important. So try to observe once again. You want to observe, you can definitely observe here. So these are 3 points. 3 points here. These 3 points, take some coconut oil, just rub it nicely. Rub it nicely. After that, so what you need to do, take this thumb finger, gently massage, gently press 5 seconds, release it. 5 seconds, release it. 5 seconds, release it. Like that. Now keep doing it. So this is the best way to practice this particular acupressure technique also. So this point is actually stomach point, friends. Yeah, stomach point. Especially the stomach has to be cleansed properly. So the stomach point is going to give you it's going to make you come out of the constipation, friends. Okay. Now finally, friends, this is the all the remedies for constipation we have gone through successfully. We have learned many remedies today, friends, for the constipation. Now, finally, I will try to explain you what is the for a better health, for a better mental health. So follow some kind of home remedies for the mental health, right? What are those? The rarest thing in the world is human life, friends. The rarest gift of the universe is a human life on this earth planet. Never lose it. Okay. And the greatest friend among friends is a book. Every book is more than a friend, more than a better friend or best friend. So that you have to understand. The greatest gems on the earth: food, water, subhasita. That is good words, good speaking. So these were the greatest gems on the earth. The main cause of ailment, almost all the diseases, is indigestion. I told you already, hundreds of diseases from the stomach, hundreds of the diseases from the so-called mind. So you do so carefully take care of these 2 parts in the every physical body, friends. Okay. The best medicine among the medicines is regular fasting. Any medicine you take, whether it's a powerful medicine, whatever you take, doesn't work. But if you just follow the so-called regular fasting, you can cure any kind of a ailment or any kind of a symptoms of the physical body. It's very much possible, friends. That's why the regular fasting is very, very important. It will cleanse all the impurities from the physical body, as we know, as we already discussed in the previous classes. So thank you, friends, for listening patiently till this time. So dhanyavad to everybody. Thank you so much.